Right, so stripped down quite a bit more now. I took the coolant hoses off, or most of them anyway. Took the power steering pump off, took the air compressor off, took the water pump off, took the tensioner off. Now I need to get a 17mm hex key for these. I tried putting a nut on the bolt and welding it to the bolt, and then try turning it with that, but no, it's just not having it. So I don't know if they're Loctited in or what. I mean, I don't know if I should heat them up or not. I'm not going to unless someone says it's okay, because obviously I don't know what I'm fucking doing here. So yeah, the exhaust manifold's off as well. I managed to do that with wax. Well, I use wax. So heat up the nut for 10 seconds, then run a wax candle around it, and it'll suck in the molten wax, and then just use my 1/4 inch impact, and they just came off, no problem. Gonna have to pull the studs out, so that'll be a job soon. There's a couple more things I need to take off the front as well, that like probably the vac thing. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the crank pulley yet, but what I think I might do is, because I'm going to clean this front up, I'm probably going to clean it up, see if I can see down the back where the bolts are, and then go from there basically. Because as far as I'm aware, there's no timing marks on the crank pulley, which kind of makes sense, because you know, if you change the crank pulley and then there's timing marks on it and you put it back in the wrong location, then you can't time it. So this is where I'm at now. Been bagging stuff up, bagging bolts and things like that, separating them out so that when it comes to reassembly I got a better idea of what goes where. But bunching them up in different categories, like all the ones for the coolant hose thing that comes all the way around here, you got like a couple of bolts holding it on, then you had that thing there's 3 bolts on that as well, and yeah, and the water pump obviously had its own bolts, and then the thermostat on top had its bolts, so all them bolts were bunched together because it obviously made sense. So I mean, the next job is cleaning, really. I clean all this friggin' sludge off the front, because after that I need to take the timing chain off, which I'm told I should probably just cut a link, because the crank is likely snapped, as we discovered before. I see timing marks on this one. I don't know if you can see them, they're just there. So I'm going to have to kind of line them up roughly with the other one. I'll probably put a dot or something there, like a white paint or something, so that I can see it better, because once I turn it I'm not going to see those dots very well, because you can barely see them now. Yeah, so that's where I'm at the moment.